Hello, everybody. This is a quick rundown of what to do during week 6. Now, at this point in the class, last week we went over Excel, so you should have seen that. Also, the Access stuff was due. So, as of now, Access is officially done. So we're fully in Excel. So if you have not completed, obviously, all of the Excel assignments from last week, you should do that first. SimNet will often give you zeros if you don't finish it by the due date, and the due dates may change depending on the semester, but if it says it's due, it'll put in a 0, but you can still do it until test week. Now, we've had 1 week of Excel, and then we have another week, which is our second week of Excel. Now, just like the previous weeks with PowerPoint and Access, this is the finish, essentially. You have a chapter exercise, and it's more formulas and functions. So you'll do a little bit more of creating things instead of just formatting and moving things around. You'll actually put in formulas and get numbers. There is, of course, a project, and of course, there's a test. And just like all the other tests previously, you get, a fair bit of time to finish it. You get 2 chances. You get, a couple chances at each question. So it's pretty much laid out the same as all the other tests. It's also going to be due not this week, but next week. I always give you an extra week on that just to make sure you've got all the files and assignments and everything done, preferably. You definitely want to finish all that before you take the test. Now, that means that as of now, we're week 6. Week 7 is going to be essentially midterm. We'll go over that next time, but just to give you a heads up, it's just going to be a test like the previous tests, but it's going to have a little bit of everything we covered from PowerPoint to Access to Excel. There will be a study guide pop up same week, so you'll find that on Canvas as well. You can practice that, and that way you can kind of get yourself ready for it. But this week, you just have to finish up the Excel stuff. So, if you have any questions, any comments, I should mention this. If you're doing any of these training things and you click on it and you're clearly doing what it asked you to do and it keeps telling you you're wrong, just reload the page or maybe try a different browser. That happens occasionally. I probably mentioned it before, but usually that will fix whatever the issue is. I've had several people in my class, they'll click the thing a couple of times. It says they're wrong. I'll go over there, click it. It says it's wrong. I click reload and then immediately click it and it says it's fine. Sometimes it just gets gummed up or doesn't get the command correctly. Well, anyway, that's it. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know.